So how can you get a better quality on the iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so it kind of depends on what you want to get the better quality of, but yeah, I'm gonna cover a bunch of different things. First of all, when it comes to like general experience of using the iPad, I would go to the accessibility section and make sure that part of the display and the text size, I don't have like any of these like filters enabled, right? Or inside of the section for the screen, right? So you can see I can tap on the motion as well. At the bottom, I have the limiting of the frame rate, right? Which applies to everything that you do on the iPad. So if you have it like the iPad Pro, it can dial down the refresh rate and it will make things not as smooth, right? So I would recommend you to have that turned off, right? For example, reduced motion might also just interfere with the way you're looking at your iPad, and it perhaps may not give you the full quality of the display and operating system. But then there are some specific things like capturing photos, videos, or playing content, right? So when it comes to that, those individual apps can be set up separately. Like when it comes to the camera, you can naturally change the resolution in the settings or even inside of the camera app right away where you can bump up the frame rate to like 60 FPS to make things smoother, right? Or you can make the video go from HD to 4K, which even then of course bumps up the quality, right? So it's very useful and it applies to many different places. And then if you don't feel like the camera just gets good enough job done, you can also upgrade to like a different camera application. For example, the Blackmagic camera or even the Final Cut camera from Apple. And those have even more controls to upgrade the quality of that, right? And this is like the general principle across the iPad. Like you have some built-in solutions, for example, for notes, but you can update or upgrade to a third-party note-taking app, which is much more professional, right? You have some photo editing tools in the Gallery app, but you can upgrade and get the Lightroom app from Adobe, which is going to enhance the quality of that even more, right? So this is like the general blueprint behind it. There are so many ways and areas on how you can get the better quality or get more out of the iPad. So make sure to let me know about what's really the thing that you're going after. Let me know about that below in the comments, but I'm going to wrap up the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one. So stay tuned, and I'll see you later.